When working tonally, one has to think about the nature of what you're seeing. What's the information in front of you? What are the darkest values that you can see? So to that extent, when you half close your eyes, what you're very, very conscious of when you're making a tonal drawing, what you have to think about is the idea of how you're seeing the figure. So where are the darkest values? Then it might be that the darkest values aren't on the body. It might actually be the space behind the body. So one has to make those big decisions first of all. Where are the large values? How are you seeing the figure? When does the figure appear and disappear into the surrounding space? So when you're dealing with a notan study and you're making that very, very definitive set of decisions, where are my lights, where are my darks, you have to carry that on when you're working tonally. So you're trying to see those large tonal masses first. When you've established those, then it becomes much easier to start judging the tones of the actual object itself. You've got something to compare it to. So it becomes about edges, areas of light, areas of dark. And when you're drawing with compressed charcoal, the problem is that it's very difficult to get back if you've gone too far. So if you are going to draw with compressed charcoal, then it's better really to work perhaps with charcoal washes. If you're working with willow charcoal, it's much easier to erase. So you have to go back all the time. And think, where are my lightest values? Once you've got that big overview of tone, you can then start to think, right, where are my darks? You can then start to think about putting in the lights. So that one begins to see the way in which the figure emerges out of the surrounding space. This is when one kind of works backwards and forwards through the drawing. Re-evaluating the scale of the initial decisions. Until one is happy with the result. So it's about looking to see those large dark masses first of all, blocking in where needed, working back into the drawing, erasing, refinding edges. Squinting with one's eyes almost shut, trying to see how the figure emerges out of the space.